Hi, I'm Mandy Wildman, and welcome to the Vibrant Crafter channel.
Show me colors. Ooh.
Today I'm going to be showing you a mini haul. I mean, the other day, literally, I said to my husband, ooh, Goodwill, thrift store. And he says, you have about 10 minutes because we have to go. So that's just sort of like saying you can have an ice cream, but you can't really eat it. But I took advantage of his generous offer and I ran inside and I got a few things and I can't wait to show you. Okay, so first of all, this fabric, people. I mean, is that not the most gorgeous, delicious, yummy stuff you ever saw? And what this is a sort of a big, giant curtain panel, but I'm going to remake it into curtains for our bathroom because I'm redoing the bathroom on a skimpy budget. So, yay to that. So let's open it up because I wrapped everything in here to try to save bags. And I'm going to sort of show you what I bought and explain why I did it. I don't know. I'm going to explain it, but yeah. So this is a sweet little flower. Let me show you. A little fabric flower. And I've been thinking about devising a pattern for fabric flowers to use up the tiniest scraps of the clothing that and so on that I recycle. And so this is an inspiration piece. Speaking of inspiration pieces, look at this little girl. What a funny little creature. Look at the feet. And look at the face, and it's made with a kind of a nylon stocking, you know, pantyhose. I don't think anybody wears them anymore. And this is called sculpting, soft sculpture. So the face is sculpted, and the reason I got this little thing, which I guess it's a spoon holder, was because I'm inspired. I love making dolls with scraps of fabric, and I want to see if I can sort of duplicate to a certain extent or be inspired by how the original artist created the face and other parts. And look at the little hands, all from stockings or pantyhose. So that's why I got her. Okay, this doesn't need any explanation at all, peeps, because do you know what this is? No, you don't, but I'm going to show you. This is the most adorable, can you see it? The most adorable and yummy soft jersey knit fabric top that says Merry Christmas on it. It's a Jane Ashley, and I absolutely love her stuff. I love recycling her stuff. This is a 3X, so it's not going to fit me, but I'm going to make it into something that will fit some beautiful, curvy woman, and she'll have something absolutely delightful to wear next Christmas. So, all right, so these are things. This is linens. You see that with a pattern on it? I hope you can see it. And I just get linens because I love old linens. I like to dye them and put them on garments. Same thing here. And sometimes I don't dye them. I mean, sometimes they're just beautiful and amazing pieces and I don't cut into them because I don't want to. But there's a lovely crocheted piece. Another circular crocheted piece. This could go on the back of a denim jacket, couldn't it? All sorts of possibilities there. This piece is very, very, very fine muslin, almost invisible, and it has this beautiful lace edge. Just want to show you this. It's quite long. It's pretty fragile, and it may go on a wedding gown. You see it's got some holes in it, and that's why we're recycling it. Another piece of linen, and this is still starched from the last time it was washed and ironed, and a lot of hand stitching on here. Let me show you the pattern if I may, if I can. A huge, beautiful butterfly, and the same on the other side. Now, couldn't that be something? I think it could be something. All right, pillowcase, a big giant pillowcase, and it's sort of discolored, so the majority of it I probably wouldn't use, but this part I would definitely use. Look how adorably it's been embroidered. More linens. This is very damaged. It's a long piece. I thought maybe couldn't we just make sort of a wonderful linen scarf out of this? I would patch it over it. I would dye it a darker color, and maybe this could be a wonderful sort of vintagey scarf. Okay, so I'm not sure that I can exactly explain why I bought this hat. It's got velvet, real velvet ribbon It's absolutely adorable. And I believe it has a tag. Yes, it does. Valerie Modes. Valerie Modes. And it's got another tag that says it's union made in the USA. And I don't know. It was impossible to pass this up, so it may go on my Etsy shop. I just love it. A really gorgeous, vibrantly colored scarf. Now, you probably know that since vibrant is in my name, my business name, that I like vibrant colors. This one's great. I also love butterflies. I mean, how could anybody not love butterflies? And the tag on this says Adrienne Landau Studio. So it's Adrienne or Adrienne, I'm not sure how she says it, Landau Studio. It's 100% silk. So that's just a fun piece. I may wear it. I may do something with it. Okay, so here's another scarf. And I love this scarf. I'm going to show you and see if you fall in love with it like I did. So basically, it's one of those picture scarves. It's a story. There's a whole story to it. I can't show you the whole thing, but it's got a story. It's people out in a park. In a park, having fun. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous piece. And it does have a label. It is Talbot's. So there you go. Surprise. 100% silk. And the final piece in this awesome haul is, again, something I can never resist, which is a sort of a 1940s, maybe 1950s tablecloth. Now, this particular tablecloth has a ton of stains on it. For example, here's a stain that I would have to get rid of in order to use it as a tablecloth, so I probably won't do that. But what I see here is this big, beautiful flower. There are a bunch of them on here, and I see that cut out and appliqued onto a sort of a fresh, modern boho bridal gown. So if you're thinking of getting married and you think that this would make you an awesome bridal gown, let me know. Comment below. Again, you're watching the Vibrant Crafted channel, and thanks for being here. See you next time.
Show me colors. Ooh.